amigos, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're doing great. I think you're waiting for my next video. But before that, there's an important announcement I had to tell you. My channel name changed from Roshana Rodula to Amazing Roshan, because I'm always amazing, of course. And in this video, I'm going to be showing a gun and I'm going to talk about it and explain what it is, and its name is Lego Rubberband Blowback Pistol. So without delaying, let's jump into the video. Hello, today I'm going to tell you about this Lego Rubberband Blowback Pistol. It shoots these rubber bands. It can hold a lot. Here you can put rubber bands here and twist them until here. Here is the trigger. You can pull it back. And when you pull it, it activates this to move up, which allows this to come down. It comes down because of the rubber bands trying to push through this piece. When it comes down, the rubber bands shoot. And then, like that, it will happen continuously with no break if you had those many rubber bands. And now I'm going to show you how to load it. If the rubber bands become too tight, you can pull the trigger while trying to push through this. It will be easier. Now when you're done loading, here's how it shoots. Hope you enjoyed my video, and please like, share, subscribe, and to be notified, click the bell icon button, and see you in the next video. Bye, amigos.